Alright, here's the reason why manual blogging is killing your e-commerce store if it is hosted in a Shopify, a Webflow, or wherever it is, even in a WordPress e-commerce store. Now, I didn't mean for you to not write blog articles. Of course, you should write the blog articles, but the way you're writing blog articles is not good. So let's just say this is your domain, right? So example, if somebody searches for best shoes under $500. So if somebody searches this keyword best shoes under $500 and he sees some random information spitted out into his screen, then he gonna skip it out. So what happens when a user skips? The user engagement UE goes down. Now when the user engagement goes down, this is a bad signal for Google. So instead, what you want to do is whenever a user searches commercial or transactional keyword like best shoes under $500, if you're writing a blog post, you need to input a products right here at the beginning itself, and then you can go on write why these products are relevant for this keyword and why it is best for $500 and best shoes for $500, and you can compare, you can put a comparisons post, you can go on write as much as you want, but at the beginning you need user engagement. Like, you need to prioritize people first content. That's what Google has been telling about at the beginning, prior to AI overviews. If you was writing for this information, it would have increased user time. I mean, if we wrote for keywords, of course Google was taking it into consideration, but now it's people first content, especially in the rise of AI. It's people first content. If you don't give what people are coming for, and if you are skipping your website and going into the next website to find the information exactly why they came for, then Google sees this as not trustworthy. So this is why manual blogging is killing your e-commerce Shopify store. Instead, what you want to do is you can use AI writers like Arval, which can write an entire article for you. But at the beginning, make sure you embed the products and give the user what they want, and they can look at these products, they can navigate and then come back to this blog article. They can read a little bit, make sure you have a clickbait titles. I mean, not much clickbait, but clickbait which should make sense and relevant to the keyword which they have searched for. And this way you have highest chances of ranking your product. So this is how you do it. This is how you take your e-commerce store successful. By the way, there's a link in the description to book a call with me for SEO blog automation for completely free. Check the link.